Could the U.S. Navy have cracked the secrets of invisibility and teleportation back in 1943? The Philadelphia experiment blends government secrecy, dangerous science, and spine-chilling consequences in one of the most enduring conspiracy theories. So, did it actually happen? The story of the Philadelphia experiment begins with Carl M. Allen, who, in 1955, sent a letter to UFO researcher Morris K. Jessup claiming he'd witnessed a top-secret experiment during World War II. According to Allen, the Navy had used the USS Eldridge, a destroyer escort, to test experimental electromagnetic technology designed to make the ship invisible to radar and possibly to the naked eye. Allen claimed the experiment not only succeeded in making the ship invisible, but also teleported it hundreds of miles from Philadelphia to Norfolk, Virginia, and back in minutes. When it returned, Allen said, the effects were horrific. Sailors were reportedly embedded in the ship's hull, some were disoriented, others vanished, and a few supposedly went mad. Jessup was intrigued. He had written a book on UFOs and secret technology and was fascinated by the potential of hidden science and military secrets. Jessup's curiosity led him to continue correspondence with Allen, but he found no solid proof. Still, Jessup's letters and book caught the attention of the Office of Naval Research, ONR. In 1957, Jessup was invited to the ONR to discuss an annotated copy of his book that referenced the Philadelphia experiment and hinted at advanced physics. The ONR's interest, even if brief, added fuel to the conspiracy, making it seem as though there might be some truth to Allen's claims. The idea of a government cover-up soon became part of the narrative. Several theories have emerged over time about what the Philadelphia experiment could have been. The most grounded theory is that the Navy might have been experimenting with electromagnetic fields to create radar invisibility, a critical advantage during World War II. This wouldn't have made the ship invisible to the naked eye, but it could have had side effects on the crew, causing disorientation, nausea, or hallucinations, which may have contributed to the more fantastical elements of the story. A more sensational theory suggests that the Navy accidentally opened a rift in space-time, causing the Eldridge to teleport or even time travel. This is often linked to Einstein's unified field theory, which aimed to connect gravity and electromagnetism. According to believers, the breakdown in physics explains stories of sailors fused to the ship or randomly disappearing. Some argue that any strange phenomena aboard the Eldridge could have been psychological or caused by disorientation from experimental technology. Alternatively, some conspiracy theorists suggest the story was either exaggerated or fabricated by Allen, whose credibility is questionable as he never provided corroborating witnesses or evidence. Researchers and skeptics have pointed out many inconsistencies in the story, starting with the USS Eldridge's service record. Official records place the ship in the Bahamas during the alleged experiment in Philadelphia, which discredits Allen's version of events. Furthermore, scientists assert that invisibility and teleportation, as described by Allen, are simply impossible with today's understanding of physics. Carl Allen's character has also been questioned. His claims lack supporting witnesses, and his erratic behavior, along with incoherent letters, make it hard to take his account seriously. These factors combined have led many to see the Philadelphia experiment as a myth rather than a hidden truth. Despite the lack of evidence, the story of the Philadelphia experiment has become a staple in conspiracy culture. Books, movies, and documentaries, such as the 1984 film The Philadelphia Experiment, have popularized the story, depicting time travel and government secrets. Its lasting appeal lies in its combination of wartime secrecy, high-level science, and a touch of the paranormal, feeding our fascination with the unknown. Thanks for watching. If you're fascinated by mysteries like this one, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Baffling Mysteries for more intriguing tales.